In front of me is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and tapping on More Connections. Then tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth if it's not already on, and select Bluetooth on the left. Finally, wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!